farm animals. Before we discuss our lesson, everybody let's read sentence structure. One more time, sentence structure. Question number 1. What is it? Again, what is it? It's an horse. Again, it's an horse. Okay, everybody, let's read vocabulary. Again, vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is chicken. Again, chicken. Next, we have goat. Again, goat. Next, we have horse. Again, horse. Next, we have pig. One more time, pig. Next, we have cow. One more time, cow. Next, we have chick. One more time, chick. Next, we have, everybody, let's read mouse. Again, mouse. Next, we have sheep. Again, sheep. Next, we have duck. One more time, duck. And our last vocabulary word is donkey. Again, donkey. Again, our topic for today is about farm animals. Everybody, let's read farm animals. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Sit back, enjoy, and relax. First, we have, everybody, let's read chicken. One more time, chicken. Now let's spell the word chicken and repeat after me. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Again, chicken. So what is it again? It's a chicken. Very good. Next we have, everybody, let's read goat. Again, goat. Now let's spell the word goat and repeat after me. G-O-A-T. Goat. One more time. Goat. What is it again? I cannot hear you. Very good. It's a goat. Again, goat. Next we have, everybody, let's read horse. Again, horse. Now let's spell the word horse and repeat after me. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. One more time. Horse. What is it again? It's a horse. Again, horse. Next we have, everybody, let's read pig. Again, pig. Now let's spell the word pig and repeat after me. P-I-G. Pig. One more time. Pig. What is it? It's a pig. Very good. Next we have, everybody, let's read cow. Again, cow. Now let's spell the word cow and repeat after me. C-O-W. Cow. Very good. What is it? It's a cow. Very good. Next we have mouse. Again, mouse. Now let's spell the word mouse and repeat after me. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. One more time. Mouse. What is it? It's a mouse. Very good. Next we have, everybody, let's read chick. Again, chick. Now let's spell the word chick and repeat after me. C-H-I-C-K. Chick. Again, chick. What is it? It's a chick. Very good. Next we have duck. Again, duck. Now let's spell the word duck and repeat after me. D-U-C-K. Duck. Again, duck. What is it? It's a duck. Very good. Next we have, everybody, let's read donkey. Again, donkey. Now, let's spell the word donkey and repeat after me. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. One more time. Donkey. What is it again? It's a donkey. Very good. Next we have sheep, everybody. Sheep. Now let's spell the word sheep and repeat after me. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. One more time. Sheep. So what is it again? It's a sheep. Very good. And now let's check if you learned something from our lesson. Let's have an activity. Okay, question number 1. What is it? Okay, what is it? It's a chick. Very good. Again, it's a chick. Number 2. What is it? What do you think is the answer? It's a donkey. Very good. Number 3. What is it? What do you think? Again, I cannot hear you. Very good. It is a duck. Number 4. What is it? Again, what is it? I cannot hear you. Very good. It is a cow. And lastly, number 5. What is it? What do you think? Again, I cannot hear you. Very good. It is a goat.